Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today I'm going to show you how Ghanaians prepare their fufu. Okay, this is authentic way of making Ghana fufu. This video is really going to be an interesting one, so don't skip any part. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do that and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. Okay, so for this fufu recipe, I'm going to need my fresh cassava and some fresh green plantain. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to peel off the skin from the cassava and the plantain very nicely as I am doing, and after that I'm going to cut this cassava and my plantain into smaller pieces to cook very okay. So now let me tell you the story behind fufu. Fufu is one of the famous food in West Africa and in Africa as a whole. Okay, if you don't know that, fufu is very common. Yeah, fufu was invented in West Africa in the 16th century, yes, and was originated from Ghana specifically, yes, from the Ashantis tribe. And I am an Ashanti, and that is why I love fufu that much. Fufu there is for body. Now, the name fufu in Chi means that to mix cassava and your plantain together to get a very nice dough. That is how Ghanaians or the Ashantis mean by fufu. Okay, so now let me give a shout out to all my returning viewers and my new subscribers right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my videos, sharing, commenting. Your girl is very grateful, and if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do that and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, so now after peeling off the skin from the cassava and the plantain, I'm going to add some water to it. Wash your plantain and your cassava very well and put this in your cooking pot. And I have some leftover plantain in my freezer. I'm going to add that one to it as well. Okay, so I'm going to add some water to this to cook for about 30 to 40 minutes on a medium heat. To that, I'll add in a tablespoon of salt. So the salt is going to help your cassava and plantain cook very okay. So when I was peeling off the skin from the cassava, I realized it wasn't too good. So the salt will help your cassava cook very okay. Cover this and let this cook until it is nice and soft. Now, this is what I'm going to pound my fufu in it. Okay, this is called mortar or wodro in Ashanti language. But before you pound your fufu, make sure to wash your mortar very well. So that is what I am doing right now, and the pestle as well. You need to wash both of them. Okay, so first of all, we're going to pound the plantain first. Okay, you can combine both the plantain and the cassava together, but we are separating it today. If your cassava and plantain is not good and you combine the two together at once, trust me, you're going to have lumps in your fufu, and we don't want that. Okay, I can for Cassava say, so fufu no na edidem na won kwan kraye da and the fufu no wan wo kra nkenye. Yes, we want a very smooth and nice dough so we can enjoy our fufu very well. Okay. So today's video, my mom and my junior sis is doing the work over there. Okay, so my mom is flipping the plantain to each other or turning the plantain to each other to make sure that we have a very smooth and sticky banku. And if your fufu is getting too sticky, just dip your hands in water to prevent all that. Okay, so now let's watch how we pound authentic Ghana fufu. All right, so now let's just see how the plantain has become very soft now. At this point, my mom is going to remove it from the mortar, then she continues pounding the cassava as well. So after that, she's going to combine everything together to mix very well. Okay, so now let me know in the comment section how your fufu is prepared in your own country. Okay, I want to know as well. How do you prepare your fufu? Is it with cassava and plantain, or our process is totally different? You can use yam and cocoyam to prepare fufu in Ghana as well by pounding it the same way. So if you want that as well, just leave a comment in the comment section and let me know if you want to see a video of how we use yam and cocoyam to make fufu. Okay, and if you are still watching this video at this point and you haven't liked this video yet, please do well to give your girl a thumbs up. Okay, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And as you can see, my mom is removing something from the cassava, meaning that is not needed in the cassava. Okay, it is going to create lumps if you don't remove it. So just see how smooth the fufu is looking right now. So now she's going to combine the two together, then she's going to pound it until everything is nice and well incorporated. Okay, so I'll be enjoying this fufu with some palm nut soup and quite orekodo ankasa. Just look at how my palm nut soup is looking right now. You can pair this fufu with any soup at all, whether being groundnut soup, light soup, pepper soup, whatsoever soup you want to enjoy with this soup. Okay, just feel free and enjoy yourself. Okay, just look at how soft this fufu looks. I am in love with the texture of this fufu, and I don't like soft fufu as well. I want it in between soft and hard. Okay, hono home bisano and an egg guy in fufu pachabia. So now our authentic Ghana fufu, yes, this is how we do it in the Ghanaian home. It's ready. So now all what is left is for me to serve and enjoy my fufu. So I have my asanka, yes, and I'll be enjoying this with some palm nut soup. You can enjoy with any soup at all you want to enjoy with this kind of fufu. Okay, so if you've watched this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. Bye bye and stay blessed.